Hello, Wranglers. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to accept your financial aid. So your very first step is to start at the Odessa College homepage, so odessa.edu. At the very top, you're going to click on Wrangler Portal. Now, when signing in, you're going to want to utilize your OC email address. Your OC email address consists of your first and last initial, followed by your Odessa College ID number at odessa.edu. So for this example, I'm going to pretend that I'm Willie the Wrangler, and my ID number is 1234567 at odessa.edu. We're going to click Next. Okay, so for your password, the default is always going to be capital OC, lowercase OC, and the last four digits of your social security number. You can find these instructions here up at the top. You can see it's in the background, but it mentions your OC email address details and the default password. All right, after I've entered my password, it's going to ask me to authenticate my identity. So I'm going to go to my Microsoft Authenticator app. I'm going to punch in the number that I see on my screen. Takes a few seconds. All right, now I've been authenticated. And now we're in. All right, so once you've logged into your Wrangler Corral, you're going to go ahead and scroll down. And in the student section, you're going to look for the Wrangler Portal. Once you're in the Wrangler Portal, you're going to want to click on the Financial Aid tab. And this is where you're going to see everything related to your financial aid. Now, what you'll want to do, and this is an important step, is make sure that you're always in the appropriate award year. So I'm going to go ahead and click on 2025-2026 because that's the current award year. And looking down here, I can see that I have a checklist of actions that need to be taken care of. Here is where you can also see if you're missing any required documents. But for the purposes of this video, we're going to go ahead and click on Review and Accept Financial Aid Package. Okay, so once you are in the My Awards tab, you're going to want to take a look at the screen to make sure that you are accepting the appropriate funds. So here I can see that I have federal Pell Grant available. I'm going to click on Accept or Decline below. I can see that I have an award pending for Fall 25, Spring 26, and Summer 26, which consist of the entire academic year. What I'm going to do here is simply accept. And that's all there is to it. So I do get this pop-up that asks if I want to do anything with my offer letter. I can simply view my offer letter. And in the offer letter, you get more information about the grants that you've been awarded and some more details. You can always reference back to this. So for now, I'm just going to go back to my financial aid screen and go to my awards. And here I can see that I have accepted my federal Pell Grant for the academic school year 2025-2026. Remember to always select the appropriate academic school year so that you are accepting awards for that specific time frame. All right, and that is all. That's how you accept your financial aid.